Students, now we see the topic ionic equilibrium. In this chapter, first of all, we see the learning objects of this lesson. Number 1, classify the substances into acids and bases based on Arrhenius, Laurie Bronsted and Lewis concepts. Second one, define pH scale and establish relationship between pH and pOH. Next one, describe the equilibrium involved in the ionization of water. Next, explain Ostwald's dilution law and derive a relationship between the dissociation constant and degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte. Next one, recognize the concept of common ion effect and explain buffer action. Next one, apply Henderson equation for the preparation of buffer solution. Next, calculate the solubility product and understand the relation between solubility and solubility product. Next, finally, solve numerical problems involving ionic equilibria. These are the learning objectives in this lesson. Now we move the now we see the introduction of this chapter, ionic equilibrium. In this unit we discuss the ionic equilibria, especially acid-base equilibria. Some of the important processes in our body involve aqueous equilibria. See the diagram, equilibrium, both sides are equal, center point is there. This is the equilibrium, for example, for equilibrium process in every equation. Okay, that is forward and backward reactions. Next, for example, the carbonic acid and bicarbonate buffer in our body, in blood. Okay, carbonic acid and bicarbonate buffer. Without this, we cannot able to survive. Okay, next, see this equation. H3O plus ion, positive ion, and then HCO3 minus, negative ion. This is the hydronium ion and this carbonium ion. Okay, next it gives carbonic acid, H2CO3 and then H2O liquid. Okay, this is the equation, equilibrium equation in our blood. Next one, we have come across many chemical compounds in our daily life. Among them, acids and bases are the most common. For example, one is milk contains lactic acid, vinegar acetic acid, tea tannic acid, and antacid tablets aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. These are the example for chemical compounds in our daily life. The acids and bases are like this. Next, acids and bases have many important industrial applications. We know very well. Acid and bases, the manufacturing variety of products, very important in industries. For example, sulfuric acid is used in fertilizer industry, sodium hydroxide in soap industry, etc. It is important to understand the properties of acids and bases. For this purpose, we will understand the properties of acids and bases. Compulsory, we will know. We analyze it because these are the basic things. In this unit, we learn the definitions of acids and bases and study their ionization in aqueous solution. We learn the pH scale and also apply the principles of chemical equilibrium. The concentration of the species furnished in aqueous solution by acids and bases. Already told the learning objects for introduction. Next, now the basic concept, acids and bases. Acids and bases. In this lesson, acids and bases are the okay. The term acid is derived from the Latin word acidus, meaning sour. That is sour taste. We already learn about the acid and bases in lower classes. The acid tastes sour, turns blue litmus to red, reacts with metals such as zinc and produces hydrogen gas. Sour taste means we eat orange fruit, lemon, and then grapes, and then so many fruits. They all are sour taste. Tamarind also, because this is the reason for is the acid is coming from the Latin word acidus. Okay. Next, similarly, based taste bitter and turns red. Base taste bitter and turns red litmus to blue. We see the lower classes. Bitter taste and then turns red litmus to blue. Now we move the concepts developed by the scientist of acid and bases. First scientist, Arrhenius concepts of acid and bases, and then proton theory of acid and bases, and then Lewis concept of acid and bases. The scientists Arrhenius, Lowry and Bronsted, and then Lewis. One by one we will see the topic. First of all, Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. What about Arrhenius told? One acid, what is acid? Substances that produces hydrogen ion Arrhenius told that what is acid? Acid produces a hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. Equation, see the equation, hydrochloric acid dissolves in water gives the plus ion and minus ion, H plus ion and minus ion. He told what is base? Base produces the hydroxyl ion when dissolved in water. For example, sodium hydroxide, sodium plus ion and OH minus ion gives them. These are the Arrhenius concept. Limitations of concept. Limitation. What are the limitations? Arrhenius theory does not explain the behavior of acid and bases in non-aqueous solvents such as acetone, tetrahydrofuran, etc. These are the organic solvent. Organic solvent, he cannot explain about the behavior of acid and bases. Okay. See the diagram. What is acid? Acid gives the H plus ion, base is the OH minus ion. Okay. Next disadvantage, the limitation. This theory does not account for the basicity of the substances. Basicity, ammonia do not possess the hydroxyl. Ammonia NH3 is a base. but he cannot able to explain in terms of acid and bases. Okay, this is the limitation, another limitation. Next, evaluate yourself. Exercise: nitric acid, barium hydroxide, phosphoric acid and acetic acid. What are they? As per Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius concept, nitric acid is a strong acid, barium hydroxide is a base, phosphoric acid is a acid, and then acetic acid is a acid. Because acid gives the H plus ion, OH base of the gives the OH minus ion. Okay. Next, Lowry-Bronsted theory. Lowry-Bronsted theory. This is the most important 5-mark question in this chapter. Okay. According to their concept, an acid is defined as the substance that has a tendency to donate proton to another substance, and base is the substance that has tendency to accept the proton from other substances. What are they? Acid gives already no H plus ion. In this theory, Lowry-Bronsted theory, proton theory. Proton, which substance gives the proton, release the proton? It is called acid. And then which substance accept the proton? It is called base. This is the concept, definition for acid and base as per Lowry-Bronsted. In other words, acid is a proton donor and base is a proton acceptor. Please make the note this line. Okay, acid is a proton donor, base is a proton acceptor. For example, in hydrochloric acid dissolved in water, it donates the proton to the later. The HCl behaves an acid and H2O is a base, because HCl split into H plus ion and Cl minus ion. H2O, H plus ion and OH minus ion. Okay. The proton transfer from acid to base can be represented as the following diagram. HCl plus H2O gives H3O plus and Cl minus. This is hydronium ion and chlorine negative ion. Hydronium ion positive ion and negative ion. Another example, when ammonia is dissolved in water, it accepts a proton from water. In this case, ammonia acts as a base and H2O is acid. The reaction represented as H2O plus ammonia. Ammonia base, H2O is acid. H2O accept from ammonia, release the H plus ion and gives to the ammonia ion, that is ammonium ion. It converted to ammonium ion, and OH minus ion is released. This is the Lowry-Bronsted theory, as per Lowry-Bronsted theory. Next, acid-bases theory, conjugate acid and bases. The ammonia molecule and the ammonium ion are the conjugate acid-base pair. The water molecule and hydroxide ion are also called a conjugate acid-base pair. In this equation, ammonia base, H2O acid. Now, ammonium ion, NH4 plus NH3 accept H plus ion to change the conjugate acid, and then H2O plus release OH minus ion. It is called conjugate base. So, in this equation, NH3 and OH minus are conjugate acid base. H2O and NH4 O plus conjugate acid base. These are the set. In simply another example, HA acid, B minus base, conjugate base from HA, H plus and Ca minus, A minus conjugate base and then BH, B releasing hydrogen and then add with base B minus gives the neutral, that is BH, that is conjugate acid. Another example, HA plus B pair of electron. This pair of electron shifted to A, that is acid ion, negative ion, and then B ion accepts the H plus ion to convert it to BH plus. That is acid proton donor, base is the proton acceptor. Understand it? Everything is defined in terms of proton, only recognized type of acid and BL theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory. Okay? Understand? Now, next to another, let us consider the reverse reaction of the following equilibrium. Another, reverse the equation, HCl plus H2O equilibrium, H3O plus and Cl minus, that is proton donor. Proton donor means H plus and Cl minus is split into H2O proton acceptor because it accepts the H plus ion to change to plus ion, positive ion. The H3O plus donates a proton to Cl minus to form HCl. H3 donates the proton to Cl. The products are behave as acid and base. In general, in this equation, H3O plus donates proton to Cl minus, donates proton. Acid 1, base 2, acid 2, base 1. Okay? Acid 1, base 2. In this equation, acid, these are the reactant, these are the products. The species that remains after the donation of proton is a base. After the donation of proton is a base and is called acid base conjugate. Conjugate base Bronsted acid. Base 1 is the base and acid 1 is called Bronsted acid. Note that this is that. In other words, chemical species that differ only the proton and conjugate acid base pairs. Already know that these are the acid base conjugation. Acid base H2O and H3O plus are the conjugate acid base. HCl and Cl minus are the conjugate acid base. Already see that. In this equation, HCl and Cl minus. HCl is releasing H plus ion and this H plus ion addition with H2O it gives a H3O plus ion. So HCl and Cl minus are the conjugate acid base pair. Another one, HCl and Cl minus also the conjugate acid base pair. Okay? HCl and Cl, H2O and H3O, two conjugate acid base pairs in this equation. Okay? Cl minus is the conjugate base of the acid HCl. Cl minus is the conjugate base of the acid HCl, or HCl is the conjugate acid of Cl minus. You see that this is the conjugate acid, this is the conjugate base. You see that. Similarly, H3O plus is the conjugate acid of H2O. H2O is the base and then conjugate base, and then this is a H3O plus conjugate acid. Okay? Evaluation. Limitations of Lowry-Bronsted theory. What are the limitations? Substances like BF3, boron trifluoride, and aluminum trichloride do not donate protons, is known to behave as acid. We already see in the lower classes boron trifluoride and aluminum trichloride are the behave as a acid, but he cannot explain in terms of donate protons. Okay, this is the limitation. Next, evaluate. Second evaluation. First, ammonium ion. Write the equation. Ammonium ion plus H2O gives the ammonia and then H3O plus ion. Which is conjugate acid base? Ammonium ion and then ammonia is the conjugate acid base, because ammonium ion release the H plus ion and change to ammonia. Okay, water H2O and releasing accept the H plus ion, it changes to H3O plus ion. These are the conjugate acid base pairs. These are the sets. Another one is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid dissolved in water to give the hydrogen sulfate ion, HSO4 minus and then H3O minus ion. H2SO4 releases the proton, H plus ion releases the H plus ion, and HSO4 minus ion produces that is add with water molecule. So these are the solution. Another one is acetic acid. Acetic acid releases H plus ion and addition to H2O gives H3O minus ion. These are the conjugate acid base. Okay, understand? Next, Lewis concept of acid and bases. This is another example for 3 mark question or 5 mark question. Now we see that topic of Lewis concept acid and bases. First point, he considered the electron pair to define the species as an acid as based on the electron pair. First Arrhenius and then Lowry-Bronsted, and then Arrhenius explained acid and base releasing H plus OH minus ion for that concept. Lowry and Bronsted explained about the proton as based on the proton. In this concept, pair of electron as per pair of electron. According to him, the acid is accepts the electron pair, base is donates the electron pair. This is a very, very important concept. In such pieces are called Lewis acids and Lewis base. What is Lewis acid? Definition very, very important 2 mark question. Lewis acid is a positive ion or electron deficient molecule. Lewis acid is a positive ion or electron deficient without electron pair. Lewis base an anion or neutral molecule with at least one lone pair of electron. This is the definition. What is acid? What is base is called. This is the definition for this electron deficient molecule and have the lone pair of electron. For example, Lewis concept as based on the boron trifluoride reaction with ammonia. It gives the boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride accepts electron pair, so it is Lewis. Ammonia donates the lone pair, is Lewis base. Okay, this example Boron trifluoride, the boron has a three fluorine atoms. Fluorine atoms have 6 pair of electron. Okay, ammonia 3 hydrogen atom and then 1 pair of electron. It reacts with each other, gives a product, reactant. Okay. In this, boron has a vacant 2p orbital to accept lone pair of electron donated by ammonia to form new coordinate covalent bond. This is the covalent bond between boron and nitrogen. Okay, the coordination compound, the ligands acts as Lewis base, and central metal atom or ion accepts the pair of electron to form the ligand behaved as a Lewis acid. This is the definition as based on the Lewis concept in coordination chemistry. Okay, understand? Next. Lewis acid and Lewis bases, important difference. This is a very important 2-mark question. Okay, 2-mark or 3-mark questions. First, what is Lewis acid? Electron deficient molecules are the Lewis acid. Already saw the different definition. What is Lewis acid? What is Lewis base? BF3, AlCl3, BFF2, beryllium fluoride, difluoride, boron trifluoride, aluminum trichloride. Lewis base with 1 or more lone pair of electron, ammonia, water, ether, and then higher ether also, alcohol and ether, ammonia, water, alcohol, ether and amine. Okay, these are the example for the Lewis bases. Next, all metal ions. Metal ions are the Lewis acid because they are ready to donate the pair of electron. Okay, Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, chromium 3 plus, copper 2 plus, these are the metal ions. Anion, fluorine minus, chlorine minus, Cn minus, SCN minus, SO4, 2 minus, etc. are the Lewis bases. Next, polar double bond. Sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur trioxide, they have the double bond between sulfur and oxygen. They all are the polar double bond. And then carbon-carbon multiple bond, that is alkene and alkyne. These are the examples for Lewis bases. Okay. Next, molecules in which the central atom can expand its octet due to the availability of d orbitals availability. Which compound have the empty d orbitals? They are expands its to octet. This is the example for Lewis acid. Silicon tetrafluoride, sulfur tetrafluoride, ferric chloride. These are the example. And all metal oxides. Metal oxides have the lone pair of electron. Calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, sodium oxide. Next, carbonium ion. CH3 thrice C++. This is in hydrocarbon. Alcohols, alcohol and aldehydes all are carbonium ion. Carbanion, CH3 minus. In the above, compare with the 3 theories. The Arrhenius theory gives the concept acids or substance contain hydrogen, H plus ion. Bases are hydroxyl, OH minus ion. This is Arrhenius theory. In Bronsted theory, proton donor and proton acceptor. These are the concepts. Lewis concept, in Lewis concept, pair acceptor, electron pair donor. Example, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, ammonia and water, tetrafluoride and ammonia. These are the example. Okay. We move the next session, second session. Thank you.